YouTube channel. Today I want to introduce you to Igbo alphabet. Remember, I said that what we are giving to you will be fundamental Igbo language, which means we are starting from scratch. We are not leaving anything behind. We will start from the foundation so that you will be very guided as you are about learning this language. Igbo language is very similar with that of Latin words, but in terms of the alphabet, it is more similar to the English alphabet, but has few differences. Just like in English alphabet, you find out that the letter C, the letter Q, and the letter X doesn't exist in Igbo alphabet. Then, at the side of Igbo alphabet, you find out that the double consonants like chi, gbe, gwe, he, pe, kwe doesn't exist in English language. Then some vowel sounds like o, a, they doesn't exist in English alphabet. Then the letter ng, nwe, nye, they don't exist as well. So that is the only differences. But the similarities like A, B, D, E, they have most things in common. But the sounds are not the same. So that's why it's good. You should be familiar with this alphabet because the sounds are very important. That's why when you hear a foreigner speaking Igbo, you will easily know because he will be making some mistakes in sounds, which I wouldn't want you people to be making. I want you to learn it today and learn it very well. I mean the sounds. So the Latin words are very similar to Igbo language. The Igbo alphabet we were using before was Nsimbidi, which we borrowed from our neighboring Ekoi people. But due to it doesn't contain everything that made up Igbo language, that's why the International Institution of Africa Languages and Culture in the year 1962 came up with the idea of this particular alphabet we are using today, we know as orthography. So this particular one contained everything that made up Igbo language. So today we are making use of them. So I want you, the viewers, those non-Igbos that are very interested in learning Igbo language, to go and make a research. I'm giving you this as assignment today. You have to go and make a research on Igbo alphabets. You jot them down so that by the next class, we won't be describing anything. We'll go straight to the point. And you know what? I must say, 80% of Igbos don't know, they can't recite this Igbo alphabet. They can speak it, yes, but reciting the words, the alphabets, is very, very difficult for them because they are neglecting it. So I want this thing to be a big boost for you, non-Igbo. Once you learn this, it will be very easy for you to learn the language. So you have to go and jot the alphabet down so that by the next class, once we are calling them out one after the other, you'll be following. It will help you to identify them where you wrote them down. So I'll be very glad If you follow it the way I just said it, jot them down and wait for the next class. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that anytime we are uploading video for a new class, you won't miss out. I will always give you the best, guide you gradually until you become perfect in Igbo language. Then lastly, the last time someone asked me about why I used the name Biamuta Igbo instead of attaching the language to show that I specify on teaching Igbo language. Biamuta Igbo means come and learn Igbo. So Igbo is very broad. It's not just the alphabet. The language. Igbo language is just part of Igbo culture. We all know that culture is people's way of life, so which the language is part of. So we are not just learning only the language. I will teach you the language first. Once you're perfect, we'll go deep to other things that you may like to know about, to learn about Igbo in general. So always know that I'll be giving you the best, and wait for our next class. Remember to do your assignment of jotting the ABD Igbo. Jot it down. That is the Igbo alphabet. We know it as ABD Igbo. Then you can even look into the English English alphabet also to see the similarities. But remember, the sounds are not the same. So jot them down and wait for the next class. And remember, I'll be giving you the best. Thank you, and remember to subscribe.